My name is Justin Rule. I'm the founder and CEO of Launch Kits. You've probably heard us on The Sweaty Startup. We helped Nick Huber launch a new version of thesweatystartup.com. And we said, Nick, your content is great, but your website is terrible. And so he said, show me what you got. That was 8 years ago. Since then, we've worked with The Sweaty Startup, not only to help Nick Huber launch multiple of his own business websites, but to help his listeners now launch over 100, might even be 200 now, I haven't checked recently, of his entrepreneurs online. The Sweaty Startup is a great resource for entrepreneurs looking to launch and grow a side hustle into a legitimate business, or to take your existing business and grow it to the next level online. Nick Huber and the Nick Huber Show and the Sweaty Startup help people figure out common things that entrepreneurs might not talk about online, and Nick Huber is just an open book, willing to share his insights, his processes, even his spreadsheets with you to help your business grow. The Sweaty Startup reaches millions of people around the globe with his content through his podcast on The Sweaty Startup. So here at Launch Kits, we've partnered with him to help build you guys websites that will be found online. Our proven process takes just 5 days to go from an idea in your head to being live online so that Google can index you. We build a Google business profile for you so that you can be found by name, #1 on the side for Google business profile and #1 on top for your brand name. After you launch, you get a free 10-week digital marketing bootcamp, how to spend just 15 minutes a week building your brand online so you don't have to hire a digital marketing agency. You can do it yourself. We have a low monthly fee, so you have unlimited updates, support, training, hosting, tools, licenses. That's hundreds of dollars worth a month that we give you for a low monthly fee. If you're a Sweaty Startup listener and you need a website to be found online, there's a reason why we're the top-rated web design company in the United States. Because my team is right here in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. We don't work overseas. We sleep when you sleep, and we work with people just like you, entrepreneurs that are trying to make an impact on their home, their business, their community, and those that they serve. If you're interested in learning what the Sweaty Startup websites can do for your business, I'd love to talk to you. My name is Justin. I'm the CEO and founder of Launch Kits. And like I said, we have a 5-day process that's proven to create the perfect website. If you want to be found online and you've got customers waiting for you and you've got an idea that you want to launch, the Nick Huber Sweaty Startup proof is in the pudding. That with one call to Launch Kits, I'll send you a demo, I'll send you some other Sweaty Startup listener websites that we've built so you can see if we're a right fit for you to get your business live in just 5 days online. Looking forward to talking with you. Thanks, Nick Huber, for all your help along the way.